To you, happy birthday, happy birthday, birthday to you.
One more time!
Birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Napagin
Yeah! Happy birthday to you.
Daan pa ko?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright!
Alright! DJ, at this point in time, let's hear the birthday message coming from our birthday celebrant, Daddy RJ. Before ni mo i-blow ang imuhang candle. And then, your wish too.
First of all, salamat sa pag-attend karon sa bunyag ni Billy City. Bising kayo ang inyong lugar. Yari gid muna mo tuyo. Thank you kayo. Ang wish akong birthday kay ganang dagmay panglawas sa mga pamilya. Tapos kinabuhi niya, dagang blessings nga abot. So, ang wish akong kailangan na pumunta.
For the kids na lang. Hasa ang sa message sa mga asawa?
I love, thank you Dennis Keglo.
Oh yeah! Woo!
Ma'am, Lian, please come over.
Wait!
Okay.
Alright! Yay!
Alright, you're
Oh,
going
yeah.
to help blow the candle with your
Oh, yeah.
husband. In the count of 3, 2,
Wow!
go! Yay!
Oh yeah! Fire! Fire! Oh yeah! Woo! Happy Christianing, oh yeah!
Ma'am, bagay ko kutsilyo palihog ma'am, o tinidor o plato.
Ginangoy up.
Kutsilyo,
Gutom.
tinidor o plato.
Alright, manamig ka on.